Welcome to a Zoom meeting. We are discussing about a fine cipher. We have written a program that enciphers a message and also deciphers a message. So this work is submitted by Newton Nyaga, Daniel Kenobia, Mesa Kusenanka, Alan Barton, and Victor Odwall. So we will start by Mesha Kusenanka to introduce us to the enciphering method. Mesha Kusenanka. You can mute yourself, Mesha.
Okay, thank you very much. I can hear you. Could you please scroll the code? I can see the first part. There, it's okay. So our code starts by importing the tkinter part. This part will be used for GUI representation of our program. Thereafter, we define a fine Encipher function, which takes 3 parameters: plain text and 2 arguments, A and B, which are integers. Therefore, the function iterates through each character in the plain text to check if it's an alphabet. If it finds out that the plain text is it contains some alphabet, it encipher using the formula. And if it finds out that they are not alphabets, it remains unchanged. Therefore, finally, it returns the cipher text. I'll take you to our next speaker. Sawanko, are you there?
Yes, Mesha, come here. Do you hear me?
Hear you. Continue.
Yes. Do you hear me?
Yeah, continue.
Yes. Now, after the plain text has been decrypted, yes, we use the function affine decryption. Then it takes the ciphertext string, 2 integers A and B as parameters. It then calculates the modular multiplicative inverse of A modular the ciphertext. If the character is an alphabet, it deciphers it using the affine cipher formula and the modular multiplicative inverse. If the character is not in the alphabet, it remains unchanged. Then finally, it returns the plain text. Yes, let me forward you over to the next speaker. Nuthia.
Yes, do you guys hear me?
We can hear you, Newton. You can continue.
Yeah, the remaining function is about the button of ciphering and deciphering, or decryption or encryption. Now this function, it works this way. After you enter the text on the text field and choose the radio buttons, now this function its work is to retrieve all the information that you have entered in the text field and what you have chosen from the radio buttons. And then after retrieving all that information, it updates the information on the J label, which acts as the display for the output. Now that's the working of the decryption and the encryption button. I take you to the next presenter, Alan.
Okay, so the Go interface is set up using tkinter, which includes text entry widgets, radio buttons for encryption or decryption choice, entry widgets for values A and B, which we already have, a button to perform the encryption, stroke decryption, and a label to display the results. Finally, we are going to use the root.main function to start the Go event loop. So back to you, Dan.
So we are going to run the code and see all this happening. So be running the code here. Okay. Can you see my screen? Let me
Code part.
Let me share it. So this is our graphical user interface. So we were specifically asked to encrypt our group name, which we chose to use the group name trivial. This is trivial. So here on these two radio button, we select encrypt here. We will start by encrypting. We have a value A according to a formula as 3, and our value B according to the formula is 14. Can you see my screen, Newton?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
So I'm going to encrypt this word here using this button.
Yes, we see this.
You can see the word has been encrypted as this is now our encrypted message. We now try to decrypt this here. So I'll write it here above here. Started with T, we have N, we have M, we have Z, M, O, V. So on the radio button, I will be choosing decrypt. Our value is 3 and value B is 14 also. So let me decrypt here. You can see we also get the word trivial. So Mesha, can you give me another word that you may wish us to encrypt using this program?
Okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity. You can use the word toffers.
Toffers.
Yeah.
Toffers. I hope this is the right spelling. So let me try to encrypt this word here. You can see the encryption here, the encrypted message. So I'll be trying to decrypt it again. We have our T there, E, H, J, O, F. We are going to decrypt right now. We have our value as 3 and our B value as 14. Let me decrypt. You see, we get 2 of us again. For instance, we have a larger message. Button, can you give us something like a sentence to encrypt here?
Okay, let us use hello world.
Hello world.
Yeah.
Let me encrypt this hello world. Let us also use the values 3 and 14 as our A and B integers. So encrypting, we have our message there encrypted. Let me try to decrypt it again. We have a J, A, double V, E, space, C, E, N, V, X. So let me decrypt here. We get our hello world. Thank you for watching our presentation. This is the end. Thank you.